We have many best practices for data cleaning. First, we can define data quality standards. Establish clear standards and criteria for what constitute high quality data for your organization. Automate where possible. Utilize data cleaning tools, software that can automate repetitive tasks, reducing manual efforts. At the minimum, you can use pivot and macros inside Excel to do that. Regular audits. Conduct regular data quality audit or checks to ensure ongoing accuracy and consistency of data sets. From time to time, you can always handpick few records just to make sure it's good enough. Document processes. Keep detailed documentation of data cleaning procedure and transformation to ensure transparency and reproducibility. Sometime when you do cleaning, you discover that you did it the wrong way. So you can, in this case, you can always go back because the documentation is very clear what you did step by step. Involve stakeholders. Engage stakeholders in the data cleaning process to ensure that the clean data meets their needs and expectations. Continuous improvement. So the data quality is not a one-time shot task, but ongoing process. Continuously refine and improve your data cleaning techniques based on feedback and evolving requirements. Let's take a look at the three top challenges in data cleaning. First, large datasets. When you are dealing with sometimes millions of records, managing and cleaning extensive amount of data can be complex. Complex errors. Some errors may be difficult to detect or correct. The third one is resource intensive. Data cleaning can require significant time and resources. Sometimes you have to go record by record and fix things as you go. And the most important thing, the person who is fixing the data need to be very knowledgeable and he knows exactly what he's doing.